Hi everyone, it's Tuesday. Welcome to a new week. So yesterday I was editing my vlog and I just had a busy day doing stuff that I needed to get done, like accounting stuff and doctor's appointments and just not very exciting things at all. So I've just finished filming an update on my eyelashes and filming the end of that video. So my video for my review of coloured lashes and lash extensions is almost edited. That's ready to go up tomorrow. And this morning, the first thing I did this morning, I went for a job interview. So because my income's been a bit low with the business recently, I've decided I need to just top that up with some part-time work. An opportunity came up through a friend of a friend, and I went and had an interview this morning, which actually went really well, which was good because I've been self-employed for so long. It's been years and years and years and years since I've worked for anyone else, and I was a little bit worried about walking in, partly with regards to my appearance, especially I've got red eyelashes at the minute, so it's not really corporate, and this job is it's not in fashion at all. It's yeah, not in fashion at all. So, but I think it went well, and I should hear it back by this afternoon whether I've got it. It's just a temporary job. It's just 3 days a week, and it's in school hours, so yeah, it could work out really, really well. It's only for a few weeks, but it could give me enough money just to tide me over while I work on the business in the meantime. So yeah, fingers crossed I hear back later today. And if I don't get it, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It'd be great if I do, but if I don't, there's plenty of other things. I've been looking online at sort of part-time and temporary jobs. So if I don't get this one, there's other things I've got lined up that I can apply for. And while I was quite sort of, if you watch my vlog when I had my little moment, I was talking about how getting a job and going back to work would make me feel like I'd failed, but I've realised that it's not. It's a temporary thing. I'm not packing this in and giving it up to go and work. I'm going to do some work as I need to for money to top up what I'm doing here. So if anything, it means that I can keep this going. So yeah, I've pretty much come to terms with the fact that I am going to have to work for someone else for a while, and so be it. It is what it is. And then I guess you never know who you'll meet and where that'll take you. So yeah, I'm not worried now. So I got the job. I'm amazed. I'm absolutely amazed. And I start on Tuesday. So that's going to leave me, I'm really, really happy, really happy. It's going to relieve some of the financial stress I've been feeling recently, but it's also going to leave me short to do my filming, so I'm going to have to cut down on the number of videos I'm doing at the minute. So I think I'm going to cut down to just doing the Rocked Up Rocks videos for Sundays and leave the other ones for now. It's just going to be too much. I've got an online sale starting next Wednesday as well, so this is something people have been asking me about for a while, but because my Facebook page shows my posts to virtually no one, like literally I've got 14,500 people on my Facebook page, and Facebook shows my posts to maybe like 30, 50 people max, so I figured if I uploaded stuff for sale there, no one's going to see it. So what I've done is I've created an event page, and I'm going to share that and get as many people as possible on there over the next few days, and then on Wednesday I'm going to start uploading stuff for sale. Yeah, hopefully I'll sell some stuff because I need to, number one, clear some space in the studio because it's just rammed full. I've just got bags and boxes and stuff everywhere, so I just really, really need to make some space. And I've got a big accountant's bill I've got to pay, so I need I've nearly got enough money for that. I just need a little bit of extra to pay that as well and keep the business ticking over. So yeah, it's time to move some things onto new homes. There's so much stuff. There's so many like old corsets, there's t-shirts, there's all my old, go behind my back door to see what's behind the screen. There's all my old couture sample dresses there. There's more couture sample dresses around the back as well, at the other end of the desk. There's just stuff everywhere, so I can't move in here at the minute. I feel like I need a a clear out and a fresh start at the minute. So yeah, so things are looking up from where I was a couple of weeks ago. I'm feeling a lot more positive and happy. The fact that someone was willing to employ me has given me a big confidence boost as well. Yeah, it's going to be interesting. I'm actually looking forward to going there every day, or 3 days a week I'm working, going there and doing something completely different to all this and taking my mind off it for a while. So yeah, it's a good stepping stone to whatever direction life takes me next, I guess. And right now I'm about to start filming this week's Rocked Up Frock video, and I've got this dress which I bought in an op shop ages and ages ago because I loved it. It's just a plain black long sleeve dress, zip up the back. It's a tiny bit too small for me though, so I'm going to open the sides up and put just a really thin narrow bit of fabric in there just to open it up a little bit. And then I am totally obsessed with an Alexander McQueen jacket, which is black with red beading on it. So I'm going to take inspiration from that jacket, and I'm going to use red lace and crystals on this dress to give it some colour and yeah, bring it up. So it's 9 o'clock on Friday night, and I've just finished the upcycled dress that's inspired by that Alexander McQueen jacket. I'm so pleased with how this has come out. Look at that sparkle. Look at that sparkle. So I've just finished filming. I only filmed up, I didn't have time to do my hair and makeup because I've got to get this edited and up tonight. So I only filmed up to there. That's why I've just got lipstick on, which looks a bit crazy. But oh my god, I can't wait to wear this somewhere. It's so cool. So cool. Not bad for a $12 op shop dress and stuff that I had hanging around in my studio. So, hey, it's early on Saturday morning and we are, what, an hour and a half, oh, nearly 2 hours. Nearly 2 hours into our drive to Melbourne to go and see the Alice in Wonderland exhibition. So, yay. Girls' weekend away, road trip. What? Hashtag chick team. We've got a long way to go yet. A long way. It's Sunday morning, we're up and ready, and we're about to walk down to Federation Square to go to the Alice in Wonderland exhibition. This is our hotel room. Someone's a bit excited about Alice. theatre this evening and we're about to see Wizard of Oz. Woohoo! Ready? Excited?
Yeah.
Off to the theatre.
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 Theatre.